All right, now we're back into the new video, and I'm going to be um, transitioning from an object held in memory for the dictionary to an object in a file. And that will solve my issue of the script restarting and me needing to hold on to a dictionary entry for more than 24 hours, or up to 24 hours in my case. So I'll be using Python pickle objects, I think. And essentially, every call I have to update the dictionary needs to now um, write out the dictionary. So I kind of already have the functionality here, barely. I haven't quite added anything. So let's do um, save dictionary to file. You can't have spaces in these, can you? Okay. And let's see. Today we're drinking Kroger generic brand seltzer water with lemon flavor. Write out the dictionary. Now I believe if I go back and check on our good old friends at Stack Overflow, this isn't that hard to do. So let's see what they say. Open, so we're opening a file here. We're calling it something.pickle. We're opening it in write binary mode, or write bytes or something, as f. That's our file variable name. And it's going to dump, which I assume means save, the dictionary f pickle.dump dictionary f. So this must be the dictionary object in memory, and we're gonna have that somewhere. So my global variable daily user dictionary, and then this is the temporary variable name that is tied to the file we just opened of the name saved dictionary. So let's pick a name and call it a global, because we love globals here. Dict file name equals, and we will call this something not pickle. Is that what it likes? Daily user dict pkl. We're gonna move this down to here. Dict file name. Okay, so every time I modify the dictionary, I want to make sure that I save that out to the pickle file. And before modifying the dictionary, I want to open it. And, well, actually, before accessing the dictionary, I want to open it from the file, make sure I'm reading the latest stuff. Yeah, okay. Seems reasonable. Okay, so daily user dictionary. So we'll just get whenever I'm gonna do this, we'll do I didn't have to call this. Oh well, update dictionary. Update date time. And update date time updates the variable with the most recent thing. So we're gonna have an update dictionary function that is gonna do that. And we should use classes and protect this. You can't write to the dictionary without using one of these other functions. But man, it's just getting complicated. We'll skip all the private and public security stuff. So update dictionary. And then, okay, it's just getting the key. Excellent. So essentially everywhere I have daily user dictionary, I want to have a call to update the dictionary, which I haven't even written that as a function yet. Update dictionary, call this refresh global reading in latest from the dictionary. This should be called before reading anything. Okay. So we're gonna update dictionary. Maybe refresh. This could be named better. Oh well. And so in here we do pick a load. That's what we want. And tab this over. We're going to call this. What do we call it? Update file name. That sounds right. As F. That's got a weird line. New carriage return, whatever. So then we'll call this daily. And of course we need to put this here so that we can modify the global. So with the update dictionary, we're going to reference the global known daily user dictionary that we're going to be modifying it. Open what is defined as the dictionary file name at the top in reading mode as F, which is just our file. I'll probably write this as file. And we're going to do daily user dict equals pickle.load file. Excellent. I believe this with open command will fail gracefully, or at least close things when it's done. I don't know. Okay. Good. Let's make a quick little function header description for that. Okay. So the thing is updated. Okay. Let's find every time where this is used. And we'll change it to a call to update dictionary. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Oh. Update dictionary to push on newest value and pop off the oldest one. Okay, so this will now be called refresh dictionary from file. Fresh dictionary from file. When I write out the dictionary, is that really what I want to do? Maybe. Okay. Should I have renamed the other one? Gee dang it. Update dictionary to push on newest value. Nah, that's way more specific. This is going to be called add to log. To push on newest value and pop off the oldest one, shifting everything over. This is kind of updating, but we'll call it add user time. I like that. Add user time. So where was that used? Add user time. Okay. My naming skills are horrible right now. Need to eat something. But moving on. So we have update dictionary, which is going to update just like the update time function and get the latest version of the dictionary from the file, which is our source of truth. Just like the time zone library is our source of truth. So update dictionary. Excellent. So let's go back to what we were doing. As long as we have update dictionary before these calls. So we want to do update dictionary for everything. User dictionary should be here. Dictionary there. Update dictionary here. Okay, so every time this is accessed, we have an update. Call it to update dictionary, which will load it in and set it. Okay, excellent. So now, every time we write to the dictionary or adjust something, what we need to do is create a write out to the function. We'll call it here. Put that there, so it's a little more in line. Okay. And then we want to do this. Oh, actually, it should be just about the same thing. And write binary And it's a little different. Oh, pickle.dump. So we open it as WB. Okay. And pickle.dump dictionary F. Pickle.dump. Okay. That looks good to me. We are accessing a daily user dictionary so that we can modify it, which we probably don't need to do. And then we're going to open the dictionary file name as described in the globals and write mode as temporary variable name file. And we're going to dump everything in our global memory space daily user dictionary to the file, thereby updating the file to match what we have in memory. So write out dictionary needs to be called every time that the dictionary is written to. So yeah, we should just do classes here. Oh well, wrapper functions are good too. Write out dictionary. Okay. So we'll copy this. And every time something is changed, so we have a get here. Where was previous one? Okay. Here it's access. We're going to get. Now we're submitting this. Okay. Then we have a call to write out the dictionary. Okay. So I've already added that. That's nice. Whoops. Okay. Get key 0. Good. Time user last vid. Next one, we do create a new user in the dictionary. Okay, so yeah, we got right out here. Excellent. And then daily user dictionary, not get key. Okay, so that's not modifying anything. Daily limit. It's just a get again. Okay, so the only time it's actually modified are when a new user is created, which is not here, but this is the, okay, so these are the only two times it's modified, and yes, they call write out dictionary. So in here, a new user log is created and it's replaced, so that's fine. Okay, so this should make our file pickle. Okay. Do I want to make a new file every time I start the script? No, I do not want to do that, but I want to update it. Update dictionary. So we're going to do. I'm gonna have to create that file. Yeah, whatever. All right, let's see what happens if I start this. My guess is it will say the file doesn't exist. Someone fucking feeding this shit? Excuse my language. So the exact same amount. I hate that it's not working. It does say under maintenance, so we're good. We're good. Okay. It's probably because I have God mode off. Yeah, because I've never actually added to the dictionary or anything in that case. So let's turn it off. False. Let's see what happens now. Some birds on here right now. Anyways, all right. Here we go. No such file. Beautiful. Okay, we are in this folder, so let's make a new file. We call. Oh my goodness. PKL. What? Ran out of input. Pickle.load ran out of input. What does it say? I need append. So where no, because I want to overwrite. I definitely want to overwrite. Definitely. File, pickle.load file. No, it should be empty though. I expect it to be empty. So can I not? Maybe it has to be just like an empty dictionary in there. It's possible. Where is the freaking text editor? Goodness. Accessories. There we go. What? Oh no, not this one. Nice. Yeah, all right. Well, do that then. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if that works. All right, we got invalid load key. What in the heck? Maybe I read this wrong. Hmm. Invalid. What? Load key. What does it actually look like when it's written to a file? Write out dictionary. Call that as one of our first functions. It's not going to work in the future because all right, so that's what it looks like. Looks exactly like what I expected it to. What? What? Um, gosh. Once it's created, though, just wish I had a more robust solution than run it and then don't. Especially for when I start this on like a fresh machine or something. What I need to do is reset the dictionary. That's what I need to do, and then write it out. Dictionary setup. Where are my dictionary functions at? Handle first time dictionary setup. File. Okay. So let's do that. Python create a file. I want to say there's better stuff for this. Yeah, well. So check if file exists. If it exists, whatever. And then if not, though, this has dictionary file name. Else. Dictionary file name. We're going to write simply an empty dictionary called daily user dict. Yeah, I made it called a write out dictionary. Gosh dang it. X will create file. Close it and then write out the empty dictionary to it. Should be empty. Okay, so okay. If it exists, don't do anything. I have. Uh-huh. Just return. Else, open one, create mode, close it, and then write to it. I think that'll work. So let's go to the folder. We will delete daily user pickle. Yes. Here. Oh, so it created the file. Excellent. Excellent. We have our file with the dictionary. Test feed. It's like 8 doves on the feeder right now. Okay. Currently in the dictionary, should read from the file. Figures I can send it. Okay, now I've hit my maximum. Okay. Now I'll stop the script. Start the script. So the dictionary in memory is killed. File size didn't change. Hit this. Reach the daily limit. Beautiful. Okay. So I believe this is working now. So we will go here, get status, get add, and I don't want to add the pickle. So actually I need to modify my get ignore file to add my daily user. Excellent. Get add more. Okay, and we'll do instead of hot memory to preserve feeding logs over script death. And once again, I will block this. Okay. Back here, parent poll. Did it really? It just has dots? Whatever. Okay, nice. We'll go back to the good old here. Okay. We're on main. It has the update dictionary setup. Okay. Should be here. We have the pickle file preserved because it was in my git ignore. So let's do test speed, and it should say I'm at the daily limit. Okay, excellent. Now I will go up to here. Change God mode back to true. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. And I forgot to put everything back on screen, but it is working, and thank you for watching.